No meron. Wala naman. Bakit watery yung mata mo? Lagi naman ganyan. So, ayun. So again, kung meron kayong questions, go direct to me and I can explain everything. And I don't want to, ito ha, wala akong planong baguhin yung mindset ng ibang tao dito or anyone. Wala akong planong baguhin kayo. Wala akong planong kunin kayo pabalik. Wala akong planong gawin ganon. Ha? I'm just protecting myself. Again, if you think that me protecting myself is an attack, then that's on you. Kasi wala akong inaatake dito. The only thing that I'm doing right now is defending myself from other people. Especially those people who wants to hurt me. Kasi I don't want na maging huli na yung lahat bago ako magsalita. Hindi kasi pwedeng last na yun. Like for example, paano kung gusto ko nang magsalita and it's already too late? Hindi. I have to do it right now. And no one's gonna stand up for me. I have to stand up for myself. I have to protect everyone. But that doesn't mean na pag nagkamali is iaano natin. Hindi. Kasi naalala nyo yun, the way you corrected me when I am wrong? Nakikita ko yun sa mga post nyo eh. You are correcting me in a way na, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. I'm listening. Pero dapat, ready din kayong makinig kapag ako na yung nag-correct. Kasi right now, walang tama at mali. Meron lang fair. Fairness, that's the only thing I'm looking for. Again, wala akong planong umalis, ha? If ang matira na lang dito, 3, 2, it's okay. Hindi ako umiiyak, sinipon lang ako. Baka sabihin nyo na naman naghahanap ako ng simpatsya. Pero it's okay to cry. It's fine. It's okay to cry as long as you're actually feeling it. Kung yung iyak mo iyak talaga, okay lang yun. Walang problema dun. Wala naman problema dun. Kaya nga sabi ko, ba't ginagawang issue pati yung pag-iyak ko dati? Yung pag-iyak ko dati, up until now, hindi ko pinagsisisihan. Isipin mo, umiyak ako because na-overwhelm ako. So, ano masama doon? Tapos, you're gonna use it against me? I cried because I'm thankful. Have you ever tried that? I cried because I'm thankful. I cried because I'm happy. I cried kasi may nararamdaman ako. So, okay lang yun. Don't use it as a negative points against me. Ano point? May points tayo dito. Ano to, exam? For crying out loud, wag nyo naman akong anuhin. Wag nyo naman akong sagarin. Lahat tayo may edge, lahat tayo may point, lahat tayo may kayang gawin. So kung kayo may kayang gawin, sa tingin nyo ako wala? Kung kayo, meron kayong capabilities, meron kayong connections, ako din. Ako ayoko na mag-entertain ng issue after this. Ha? So if you have any issues against me, just keep it in. I will live my life to the fullest. I will go everywhere I want to go or anywhere I want to go. Pupunta ako sa mga lugar na gusto kong puntahan nang hindi ako mag-e-explain sa inyo. Like, if I want to go somewhere to other countries, I'm not gonna explain myself to you guys. If I want to go there, it's okay because hindi ko naman pinilit kayo na makaalis ako ng bansa. So if I'm gonna go somewhere, I will do that on my own. Pag may gusto akong puntahan, pupuntahan ko. Nang hindi ko kayo, wala akong... Dapat kasi talaga totoo yung sinasabi natin na dapat wala talagang tinatapakan ng tao. I agree. So wag tayong mag-discredit ng tao just because it will help So right now, I think I'm having lots of, ano yan? Nigalit sa akin. Okay lang. Kasi, eto, kung galit kayo sa akin kasi pinoprotektahan ko yung sarili ko, okay lang. Magalit lang kayo. Kasi hindi ako titigil na protektahan yung sarili ko. Kasi no one's gonna protect me eh. Pero yung, syempre, pamilya ko lang. Kaya kung nagagalit kayo kasi nagsalita ako, pinotektahan ko yung sarili ko, ay, ibig sabihin yan, kayo ang gumawa ng masama sa akin. Kung sino man ang magalit, ito ha, kung sino man ang magalit dahil pinotektahan ko yung sarili ko, dahil nagsalita ako ngayon, kayo yung gumawa ng masama sa akin. Kasi ayaw nyo nang binabalik sa inyo yung ginawa nyo sa akin. Kasi I'm just trying to defend myself. Ngayon, pag yung defending myself, it hurts you. For example, yung ginagawa ko pagdepensa sa sarili ko, ang ibig sabihin sa inyo to parang away, then the problem isn't mine, it's yours. Kasi kayo pinoprotektahan yung sarili nyo, di ba? May narinig kayo sa akin? Wala. Kasi it's your right. You're protecting other people, it's okay. That's your right. Pero kapag ako pinotektahan ko yung sarili ko, walang kahit na isa sa inyong pwedeng kumwestiyon kung bakit ko pinoprotektahan yung sarili ko because I have to. Alam mo, ayoko din nakikipagsagutan sa social media eh. Hindi kasi maganda. Kaya pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko for the longest time na makipagsagutan sa social media. Kasi alam mo yung, for example, may sinabi ako, ganyan. Tapos yung sasagot na naman. Tapos ito, sinabi na naman ako, may sasagot na naman. Hindi yan matatapos. Hindi na matatapos. Hindi yan matatapos. Bakla ka po ba? Yes. Next question. Firstly, you don't care. Pangalawa, I don't really have to explain myself to you. Thank you, Pat. Ganito na lang. Total, dinidiscredit nyo naman ako. Then, love you too. Total, lagi naman ako nadidiscredit. Lagi naman ako napapahiya. Napapagod na rin akong sumalo ng ibang tao. Bahala na kayo. I don't want to list down all of the things that I did kasi that's not right. Ang kailangan ko lang, siguro respeto. Respeto lang siguro. Respeto lang. Kahit yung respeto lang na nag-i-exist ako, ganyan. Yung acknowledgement. Pero kung hindi ma-acknowledgement, it's okay. Basta wag lang akong bastusin na lang siguro. Okay na siguro yun. Ha? O, tama na. I think I already raised everything that I must o nasagot ko, in-address ko na yung mga dapat kong i-address para lang ma-clear, and I want to clear my name sa mga ganyan, especially sa mga bagay na hindi ko naman ginawa. Sana lang hindi kayo ma-offend dun sa mga sinabi ko kasi I'm protecting myself lang. So now I'm back. I'm never backing down and I will stay. Nagpahinga lang ako ng konti. So okay na to. Ha? Okay na. Yay! Okay, yung mga chismosa, mayas na kayo. Ayan o, yung mga chismosa na tawag dito na naghahanap ng mali ko, pwede na kayong umalis, wala na akong sasabihin. Pwede na yan. Ayun, naghahanap na yan ng di magandang Total, may edit na naman kayo na lalabas na masama ako. Prepared naman na. Total naman, for sure. May mga mag-edit dyan na, ito kasi nangaway-away siya, ganyan. Edit nyo ulit! Go! Pwede naman. Grabe kayo. Char, joke lang. Ayan. Patugtog natin yung favorite song ko. Tada! I say thank you so much. Guys, actually, di ba nagsabi naman ako kanina? Pwede namang umalis yung iba. Okay lang. You can venture on your own. It's fine. No judgment from here. Support. Maniwala ka. Ayan. Ay, salamat guys. I miss you too. For sure nito bukas meron na namang side A and side B. Hindi ko na-entertain yung mga side-side nyo. Lahat sa inyo, kompetisyon. Parang laging nakikipaglaban. Di kayo napagod. Di kayo napagod na. Yung laban-laban ganyan. Yung compete-compete ganyan. Kapagod yan, eh. Alam mo, the only competition I consider right now is myself. I hope I can do better tomorrow. Yun lang ang talagang competition ko. Myself. And I think you should think that way too. Kasi like for example, yung personal goal ko sa workout, bukas sana mas better. Lilingon, papalik at halik sa aking kamaong. Yan ay simbolo at siyang magpapatunay na manalo o wala pala yung lyrics, sorry. Ako bahala sa'yo. Nandirito, nakaalay lang sa'yo. Hindi ko kasi hawak yung iba. Ang hawak ko lang sarili ko. So the only thing I can do is stay here. Sarili mo magtiwala. Ba't ka umiiyak? Hindi po. Nothing is happening. Ano lang, nag-i-enjoy lang kami dito, guys. Ano yan, tawag dito? Ano doon nangyari? Pinagalitan ko yung mga anak ko, be. Nasaway kasi. Okay na. Pinagalitan ko yung mga anak ko kasi yung iba makulit. Yung iba inaaway ako. So, ayan. Yung iba kasi nangaaway. Kaya ayun, pinagalitan ko yung ibang anak ko, be. Isa nagtatanong. Oo. Tapos tinaman bukas, okay na kami niyan lahat. Mga anak ko lang. Yung basher, bahala ko dun sa Ben. Charis, joke lang. Hoy, hindi porkit ngumiti ako, hindi ko na kayo sasagutin, ha? Yung pangiti-ngiti kong to, wag nyo itong kasi kinukuha nyo yung ngiti-ngiti ko pang weakness, eh. Pag masaya ako, akala nyo laging go lang ng go ng manakit. Hindi porkit nangiti ako, be, hindi na ako nalaban, ha? Deserve ko din namang ipagtanggol yung sarili ko. Kayo-kayo lang? Ay, nadamay ba? Sorry. Di mo ko pwede mapakulok-alok ka na kasi ko kaya nang pakit ko sa inyo, bitch. Ano boss? Tapos hindi porkit nagkakasagutan tayo, hindi ko na i-acknowledge ang friction. Kasi lahat yan may ambag sa buhay ko, be. Malaki lang yung ambag talaga nung mag-isa ko. Pero syempre, I won't go far kung hindi ko i-acknowledge lahat ng mga tao sa paligid ko. Like, yes, nagtrend ako before, but that doesn't mean hindi ko na i-acknowledge yung mga tumulong sa akin later on. Kasi una sa lahat, yes, may Bricks Galiano, totoo, meron yun, nagtrend naman yun before. Pero hindi yun mag-go far kung wala yung mga nagsusupport ngayon. Tapos kung hindi nakapasok sa Team Bardagulan, kung hindi nagkaroon ng kwadro, kung walang Bricks yan, gets nyo? Lahat yan kasama yan sa growth ko. Lahat yan kasama sa growth ko. So, I need to acknowledge every single one of them. I have to give credit to whom credit is due. Kasi kapag sinabi natin na wala, means makakalungkot yun. Pero wala na tayong magagawa doon. Kamusta ka? Okay na po ako. Wala naman pong problema sa akin. Ako'y na-overfatigue lang sa dami ng problema lately. Pero thank you so much for staying there. Sana lang I'm just hoping na instead of some of you taking this as offense, siguro take this as me protecting myself, defending myself. Kasi I was dragged down to the sewers for the things that I didn't do. Kaya nagsalita talaga ako. And sometimes you have to protect yourself too. Kasi isipin mo may mga tao dito nanonood sa akin. Tapos sabi nila sa akin, I want to be like you. I was like, no, hindi maganda yung ginagawa ko sa life kasi sobrang hirap ng pinagagawa ko. Pero since may isang tao or dalawa or tatlo na nakikita nila ako as someone, then you have to set example na you have to protect yourself if you needed to. Yes, tama naman na maging uto-uto tayo, magpakabait, ganyan. Tama din naman yun. Nagulat ako. Ayan, thank you, T. Thank you, Ate Penny. Ayan. Nandito pa tayo eh. Sobrang love na love ko kaya kayo. Hindi naman, hindi ako magsasalita ng ganito kung Team Mandirigma, Team Low Budget, Project Briction Comsec, Tropang Marites, Team Tropaps, Random Bros, Team VC Official 2.0, Brixis, Team Babe, Unibriction. Ate Terry, Team Assorted, Silent Supporters on IG, Briction Love, Rin, Silent Supporters Qatar, Rian, Gloria, Joy Ayento, Nejimun, Admin Rose, Ana, Nurin Briction Editor, Briction Edits, ZZ, Team Ayobo Te Amo, Team Brix, Team Green Minded, Team Bopis, Briction Beast, Team Dilaw, Team Adobo Warriors, Team Kazui, Brixie Siblings, Team Bombaya, Team Chinese Siblings, Team Ali Au Au, Clover Family, Team Anemic, Team Solid Briction, Team Love, Brix Armor, Nanay Zone, Daryl, Chavi, Jong, Engineer Kali, Aliko, Justin, Kristen Joy. Sa lahat po ng walang team, okay lang. Sa mga nakatulog, it's fine, guys. Everything's okay now. I'm here now. Dito na ako ulit. Wala naman akong balak umalis eh. Pahinga lang. At wala pa rin akong balak manira ng kahit na sino. Just don't cross me, please. Master Nate, Chow, Sir J-Lat, Mimia Editor, Kirui, Sabi, Friction Replay, Miss Magandang Kasambahay, Shuffles, Asmir Edits, Silent Editor, Honey, Marky, Dayla, Britney on IGDB, Princess Monica, Prof. Leo, Joji, Christy, Arian, Jeric, Lexi, Sikay, Mida, Tracy, Rhea, Ann, Akashi, Sarah Jane, Hauran, Singye. Kita. Gloria, hi Gloria, Noni, Brixan Ching, Elda, Label, Capel, Kaiken, Glenry, Yela, Olive Bello, Yai, Weiwei, Nairel, Lawi, Jing, Angie, Eliboy, Marlo, Team Chani, Clarice, Team Love, Alvin, Joe Edits, Defender Lady, Elberis, Banji, Melody Edits, Merry Chris, It's Me Del, Zizi, Marichu, Estong, FHM, Lorna, Nur Aida, Ate Karen, Ate Kenneth, Ate Ging, Zen, Dinah, Shane, Doms, Aldexter, Zabiana, Ate Mayo, Penny, Aina, Angel, Nikki, Fistbump, Common Observer, Yana, Sir Renzi, Marvel, J. Martin Troy, Yoboliit, Nicole, Rosie. Thank you guys. I love you so much. We love you. I love you too. Actually, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Sobra. Kasi I won't be doing this live if hindi. Honestly, with all the things that I heard, I can just walk away. Yes. Sa dami ng masasakit na narinig ko, nasabi ko, narinig ko, na naintindihan ko, I can just walk away, but I'm not gonna do that. Team Friction, Fourth Leaf Clover, Team Y, Team Surge, Don't Cry, I'm not crying, hatching lang ako. Team OFW, I'm Dynamic, Dilaw and Anemic, Chismoso, Friction Nurses, Alvaro, Team Tutoy, Team Loki, Pam Silent Viewers, Team Ante, TB Lab, Team Solid Bricks, Silent Supporters, Bricks Armor, Alexa, Team Green Minded, Hershey, Team Dilaw, Tropang VJ, Dark Angels, Alan V, Team Harurut, Always Present, Team Sip Sip, uy, thank you. Team Editor, Bricks Sininangs, Team OA, hello po. Look on the Baby Spots, Angels, Montes, Editor, Brixie Siblings, Nicoverse, MJ Cabrera, Editor Sammy, K. Briones, Team Ayobo, Editor Carl Dims, Honey Amazing, Sabi. Hindi, konti lang. Hindi naman ganun kasik. Haven, Mimia Editor, Kiruitan, Carl, Introvert, Director Atobi, Asmer Edits, Queen Padme, Yobi Burna, Magandang Kasambahay 2.0, Joy Prem, CG Laughter Nix, Nika Brian Mendoza, Dayla Britney on IG, Daryl Giselle, Team Beltap, Adobo Warriors, Iris CLR, Team Rim Edge, Jenny Edits L, Tropa Premium, Hana Lulu, Brixian Defender, Ate Terry, Alas Cuadro, Team Suyuan, ang dami natin. Team Raulo, Ayobo Babies Negros, Rao Loyals, Team Kinimpirihis, John Dale Rafus, Tony G, Brian, Chabi, Madel, Nedge, Clea, Brixian Live Replay, Sanji, Asharing Stroy, Babies, Team Ayobocado, Cha, Team Avocado Babies, Team Rocado, Team Kalawang, Team Restricted, Team Jeff Pat, Amy, Team Nicolas, Nicoludians, Team YML, Team Nicolas, Team Migsal, Sai, Univrixian, Team Solid Vrixian, Christian Stan, Vrixianatics, Team Loki, Vrixie Siblings, Team Chubby Chicks, Vrixian Hong Kong Era, Team Vrixians, Vrixian Beast, Vrixian Babies, Team Adobo, Team Dilaw, Team Bumbaya, Team OFW, Team Ali Au Au. Guys, alam nyo, sa totoo lang, the reason why I don't want to fight or I don't want na makipag-argue kahit na sino o kaya manghatak ng tao pababa is because I'm not getting anything from that. Wala akong mapapala and neither should you. If you drag someone down, wala naman kayong magigain eh. Siguro pwede kayong makagain ng something panandaliang saya or maybe like Ian Carl, Joy, Miss Patty, Katrina, Samantha, Juan David, Team Evicti, Team Lapuk, Team Quadro, Team Private Property, Team Anemic, Team Replay, Team Pinkish, Team Agaray, Team Hyper, Team Laglag, Team Tap Tap, Team Ayobo, Te Amo, Team Bricks, Team Bopis, Tropa ni Bricks, Team Hyper, Team Bahay, Team Green Minded, Chinese Siblings, Team Quadro LDR, Team V, Team VC, Team C, Market Cheng, Shippers Unite, K. Briones, Mahi, Ate Mayo Moko, Ate Mayo, Yobi Berna, Brixian Replay, Yuki Chow Shuffle, Gian Sabi, Master Nate, Raymart Zebiana, Brian Ramina, Christy, Ma'am Chubby, Justin Aiko, Aliko, Elizon Cherry, Lukifa, Marquis Shippers Unite, Eloise Peperoser Jaylat Zeo Jessa, Vrikshan B, Hani, Jen Storage Full, JD, DB, Rosie, Sarah, Kay, Julie, Venus, Desi, Gabriel Parens, Kai, Jamela, Jelay, Engineer Del, Christopher, Engineer Norms, Jomar R, Marisi, Iris CLR, Vrikshan by Bear, Nina Vrix, Tropa ni Vrix, Jenchan, Jenrix, Benchan, Ace, Ati Libay, Jong, Earl, Christine Joy, Micaela, Rachel, Renzi, Mitch, Riza, Team Brianna, Yobi Berna. Salamat guys. Team Tiwalag, Team Namimigla, Team Detective Conan, Vrixtan, Pitik ni Vrix, Team Sob, Team Panatag, TV8080, Team Toys, Team SA, Monamo, Yuki, Bianca, Montes, Yuki, Silent Editors, Hani, Bea, Adi, Yobi, Asmir Edits, Hanipay, Arvin Ladlad, DJ Alex, Pitik ni Vrix, Team Panatag, Team Toys, Cyrene, Vrikshan Someone, Team MSG, Team Sob, TV8080, Team SA, Vrikshanity Official, Team Pataba. Thank you po. Random Bros, Kanin Warriors, Boroclea, Vistoria, Chani Saurus, Ina VC, Mikesla Vrikshan, Melody Vista, Destiny, Team Vrikshan Official, Nicole Montilla, Mina FW, Kazui, Maajum, Julie, Cyrus, Vrixi Siblings, Rainy, Mari City, Zia, Team VC, Saranghe, Vrixiverse, Nin, Tropang Bogli, Team Laro, Chanis Gab, Hadong Wonders, Jason, Ashley, Melody Vista, It's Me, Zai, Princess Maceda, Martinez Defender, Official Red, Gina 1623, Misuray, Lisondra, TSM, Sunjin, and Mai. Hala. Love ka namin. Love ko din naman kayo. Sobra. Sobrang love. Thank you guys. Actually, I don't want mag-race ng football. I really wish that we